Hello YouTube family, I hope everyone is doing good. So as you guys are already aware that we are solving one question daily on this LeetCode platform. Okay, so during this journey we have solved all the problems of Feb month, then for March month, then April month, then May month, then June month. Okay, so now we are going to start solving the problems for July month. Okay, so now without any delay, let's get started with the problem 1 of this month. Right, today we are going to solve problem number 1550, three consecutive odd numbers. Okay, so in this problem we have given an integer array and we have to return true if there are three consecutive odd numbers in the array, otherwise we have to return false. Okay, so here see in this example only one odd number is there. Okay, so simply we are returning false. Okay, so here this is one odd number, so let's say you make the use of one variable. Let's say name it as count. So initially my count is equal to 0. Okay, so here my count will become 1, right? And then the next number is even, so my count will be changed to 0. Then this number is even, my count will remain 0. This number is odd, my count will become 1. Then I have encountered the even number, so now again my count will become 0. Then this is odd number, so my count will become 1. This is odd number, so increment the count, so now my count become 2. This is odd number, my count become 3. Okay, so as soon as I have encountered three consecutive odd numbers, okay, so that simply means that whenever my count becomes 3, I am simply going to return true in this case. Okay, so that's it. Okay, that's what we need to do. Okay, so now let's write the code for this same problem. Okay, so here let me zoom it. So first calculate the length of my array. So int n is equal to array dot length, right? And then let's iterate over all the elements in my array one by one. So for int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Okay, and inside this just check if my number is odd. If array of I modulus with 2 is not equal to 0, that simply means my number is odd, right? So in that case just increment the count value. Okay, count plus plus. Okay, so let's create one variable int count is equal to 0. Okay, initially the value of count is equal to 0. Okay, so now if the value of this count becomes 3 at any case, okay, so in that case I have to simply return true. Okay, this is done. Now as soon as I encounter my number as even, okay, so then simply make the count value as 0. Okay, so this is what I am doing right here. My count is 1, then I have encountered even number, then I make my count as 0. Okay, even 0, odd 1, then again I have encountered even, so 0, then 1, again odd, then increment the count 2, again odd, then increment the count to 3. As soon as it becomes 3, I am just simply returning true, right? So this is what I am doing here. Okay, this is done, and in the end just return false. Return false. Okay, so that's it. Now let's run the code. So all the test cases has been accepted. So see, I'm iterating over all the elements one by one, so that is why my time complexity is going to be O of n. So now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? And it beats 100% of users with Java. Okay, so you can see the time complexity here. Okay, in this new feature of LeetCode. So see, time complexity is O of n. Okay, so I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.